हे गाइस, तो आज मैं आ चुका हूँ एक फनी वीडियो पे रिएक्शन जहाँ पे कॉप्स कुछ फनी मोमेंट्स उनके साथ हो जाता है। तो शुरू करते हैं।
Being a police officer is not an easy job. But what happens when the hardest part is not bursting into uncontrollable laughter? Here are some of the funniest moments where cops just couldn't keep a straight face, starting with this officer who found the unthinkable in suspect's pants.
I got a gerbil. What the heck? There's multiple gerbils in his pants.
इनसे कौन चोरी करता है यार? लोग चोरी करने के अगले लेवल पे पहुंच गए। कुछ भी चोरी करना है। खाने पीने की चीजें पता चलता है कि भूखा इंसान है तो खाने पीने की चीजें चोरी करेगा, पर इससे कीड़े चोरी करने वाला आदमी मैंने पहली बार देखा।
Police department were dispatched to a pet store following reports of a break-in. The situation was already pretty wild, with the live animals outside and the officers struggling to contain them. But they couldn't have predicted what was waiting for them that evening.
I'm not a bird guy. I have no idea what to do. You got blood all over you, buddy. Come on. I don't know if you're gonna bite or what. Never touched a bird. Exactly. Exactly. I heard the one. Not touching the bird. Yeah.
समझा कुछ? ये बड़े बोल रहे हैं कि भाई वो आदमी ने मेरे पूरे कीड़े चुरा लिए, मुझे खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं है। उनको गालियां दे रहा है वो ऑफिसर को। अबे साले जाओ उसे तू ढूंढ के लेके आ पहले।
Here, you. So in there, fly away. You can see this motherfucker bit me hard. Sure did.
Getting bitten by the bird was just the start. The police tracked down the suspect and found him napping at the scene. As if it wasn't crazy enough, his name
यही आदमी है वो।
You can't make this stuff up. What the officers didn't know was that Mr.
Matthew
Pancake was
Pancake.
packing multiple secrets in his leopard print pajamas.
मैं रोज पैनकेक खाता हूँ।
Damaging.
Oh God, there is a gerbil.
हे
Yeah, definitely animal abuse.
What the heck? I got a gerbil. What the heck?
ये कौन से नशे करने वाले लोग होते हैं, मुझे पहली बार पता नहीं।
Multiple gerbils in his pants.
सस्ते नशे। कुछ भी।
Somebody get my shears.
Do you have any more pets?
Do you have any more gerbils on you? Grab my shears and cut further up that pant leg. And probably this one because there's shit in there too.
I don't do rats. Mike's, I don't.
It's not a rat, it's a gerbil.
In all, the officers rescued 4 gerbils hidden inside Mr. Pancake's clothes. The gerbils must have thought they'd been stuffed down by a leopard. The suspect was charged with vandalism and breaking and entering.
अच्छा, मैं सोच रहा हूँ उन कीड़े को पहली बार उनके लाइफ में ट्रॉमा मिला है कि किसी इंसान के शरीर में उनको छुपाया गया है। इमेजिन करके देखो उन कीड़ों को कैसा लगा होगा। वो मन में गालियां दे रहे होंगे कि ये साले को हम काट क्यों नहीं सकते, क्योंकि अभी तक हमारा मुंह पहले से पाना नहीं है अच्छे से, इसलिए बच गया है और सो भी रहा है अच्छे से। सस्ते नशे करने वाले लोग मेरी बात मानो, ऐसी चीजें मत करो। करना है तो कुत्तों के साथ ऐसा करो, वो काट तो सकेंगे तुमको, तुम्हें मजा आएगा, फिर पता चलेगा दूसरे दिन की सस्ते नशे का क्या हाल होता है।
Based on a $10,000 bond. While this case was undeniably ridiculous, our next suspect saved his
पर ये
trip
बस
last.
अमेरिका में ही होता है
I don't use pens. I just use my
और
fingers.
पाकिस्तान में, पाकिस्तान नेक्स्ट लेवल है।
In August 2022, an off-duty La Crosse police officer had an encounter with a speeding car that refused to move when the light turned green. When the officer tried to pass, the driver, 39-year-old Kevin, blocked him, and his approach made the officer to draw his gun. Kevin then called 911, followed the officer to a parking lot. At this point, Kevin is furious because he is convinced that he is the victim.
Please? Okay. We're just gonna go in front of the squad here. Why am I in trouble? We're trying.
भाई पहली बात तू मिडिल फिंगर दिखाकर अपने आप को इनोसेंस या आंटी मत समझ, जो कांड करने के बाद भी अपने आप को एक विक्टिम जैसा हॉइड करते। नहीं, अगर मैं उस ऑफिसर की जगह होता मैं रुकता नहीं, उसकी गाड़ी के साथ उसको भी उड़ा देना। वही मुझे मिडिल फिंगर दिखाए और अपने घर पे बच के जाए, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता। ऐसे इसके टकले पे कुछ है नहीं। दोनों टकले
No, this is bullshit. There's no drug.
गोमेन और
I'll tell you right where it's at in my backpack. Right there. It's right there. Open it up.
Let's just work through one thing at a time. This is Officer
I asked for a
DeFlore.
lawyer, didn't I not?
You did.
Where's my lawyer?
I'm not required to
Where
provide
is
one at
my
this
lawyer for
point.
the search? Because I said you guys cannot search that vehicle without my lawyer present, correct?
There are
Because it is not my vehicle, right?
Kevin.
Like, there was a gun pulled on me by a deputy, right? Undercover or off-duty deputy, correct?
Kevin,
Turn around.
गन इन्होंने कब गन निकाला भाई गन नहीं निकाला हाँ वो खुद ही आके बाहर बैठ गया ऐसे जैसे वो खाने को डालने वाले
Right? Am I right or am I right?
यो गंजे लोग ऐसे ही होते हैं
Am I right? Your silence says nothing, but I'm right.
been very frustrated.
कुछ गंजे लोग सब गंजे लोग
But
नहीं
I'm trying
Hey,
to
no, hold
explain
on.
the
Answer my
process.
question first.
What?
Was there a gun pulled on me by an off-duty deputy?
What does that mean?
Was there a gun pulled on me by an off-duty deputy?
Do you want to talk about this? Did you get out of your car over here?
Yeah. Did he
What did
pull a
you
gun
do?
on me?
Tell me what happened.
Did he pull a gun on me?
I didn't
ऑफ
recognize
ड्यूटी
you, so none
डिप्टी
of this counts.
इसको करना
I
क्या है
recognize
पहली
you.
बात
Doesn't
तो
do an illegal
You're just
search,
sitting
so
here
none of that
yammering
counts,
back
so I
and
don't
forth.
give
While speaking with Kevin, officers perceived alcohol in his breath and took him to the station for a breath test. That's when Kevin showed his habit of cracking
बॉटल बाबा
inappropriate jokes
बॉटल
at the
बाबा वाले ही
worst
इनको ऐसे
possible
दर्शन की पावर देते हैं
Just follow tip my finger, okay?
So if I say no,
इन्हें
I'm
लगता है
drunk,
दुनिया
so
में
I'll
राज
follow
करते
that?
Yeah.
Can't you do the pen or something? That's more interesting.
I don't use pens. I just use my finger. Okay?
That's what she said.
पहली बात तुम फंस गए हो तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारी बात लगने वाली है फिर भी इतना बेकार सा जोक मारने की क्या जरूरत है टकले अंकल शुक्र है कि वो आदमी है तुम्हारी जगह मैं नहीं हूं मैं होता तो टकले में होल हो जाता
Okay.
Joshua laughed.
Ready? Hands on your side.
What are we gonna do if I just sit here?
जब बाजू वाला हंस रहा
Fly, I just want you to cooperate. That's what I want.
है ये सोच रहा है
I'm telling you, I'm drunk. It's gotta be that easy. Like, okay, he said he's drunk.
So you want to do any other field spray test?
No.
Okay.
Kevin has got great jokes, but that didn't stop him from being charged with felony battery, threatening an officer, and multiple misdemeanors for drug possession and disorderly conduct. But instead of serving time, his sentence was withheld, and he was placed on 2 years of probation with conditions. Like Kevin, the next suspect has a habit of joking at inappropriate times, but his joke was much more problematic.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't.
ये सेम टॉपिक बार बार आता है उसमें सेम ये लोग कहते हैं आई कांट ब्रीथ मैं सांस नहीं ले सका नाक नहीं बंद किए हाथों को पकड़ा है नाक और हाथों का कुछ लेना देना सांस बंद हो जाती है नहीं
On June 26, 2024, deputies from the
खुद भी
Lake
हंस
County
रहा है
Sheriff's Office responded to a 911 call from Walmart staff reporting that a delivery drone had been shot while in transit. Deputies arrived at the scene, and the suspect, 72-year-old Dennis Wynn, openly admitted to what happened.
Did a drone fly over your house and
72?
you shoot at it? I'm gonna be real blunt with you and ask.
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, why'd you shoot at
चाचा
it?
जी को कांड करना बहुत अच्छा
Tell
लगता है
somebody and turn around.
याद है वो मिर्जापुर वाले चाचा
I got you. Where did you see the
शांत हो जा वो
I love me.
चाचा
It seemed Mr. Dennis had a valid reason to be wary of the drone. However, drones are classified as aircraft, and under federal law, firing at any aircraft is illegal.
पहली बात उस स्टोर में एक फास्ट डिलीवरी जैसा कोई नई सी स्कीम आ गई है उसलिए वो ड्रोन को यूज करते उसमें इन चाचा को क्या
The
प्रॉब्लम है
officers
पता नहीं
explained this to him and took him into custody. But then for a moment, they nearly let him go.
You want to cuff
अरे
him, Fred?
चाचा
Whatever you need to do by protocol.
Well, no, we have.
रस्सी लेके आओ
Fine, there's no issues. We're
टायर लेके आओ
let me know if it's
बोला ना कुछ भी चलेगा आई कांट ब्रीथ
I can't breathe.
Mr. Dennis was charged with shooting
खुद
at
भी
an
हंस रहा है,
aircraft,
बुड्ढे।
criminal mischief causing
अच्छा
damage
चिढ़ा रहा है
exceeding
उनको अच्छा
$1,000, and unlawfully discharging a firearm on residential property. He was ordered to pay $5,000 in restitution.
$1,000
While the
$1,000
last guy
कितना होता है
tried to be
70,000
funny,
70-80
this
हजार
guy was unintentionally hilarious,
अरे
and the cop's
5,000
sarcasm
डॉलर
made it even better.
कितना हुआ 1-2 लाख
254 Central. She just tried to run away from me.
2-3 के अंदर ही हो गया। चाचा लंबा
On
गया
June
था।
1st, 2022, Athens Clark County officers responded to reports of a bikini-clad woman wandering into traffic. When they arrived, they noticed that the woman, later
ये सब
identified
सस्ते
as
नशे,
Natalie,
सस्ते नशे।
was very intoxicated. She had no idea where she was and kept looking for her sister, who was nowhere to be found. She even tried to flirt with the officer, but when he rejected her, she took off running. It was clear he couldn't care less.
अल्फा मेल।
Can you come
Boom.
over here?
South Beach what?
नहीं।
South Beach over here.
You have no idea where you are, do you?
Yes, I do.
Alright, you're at South Beach.
Yeah.
Does this also look surprisingly like Athens, Georgia?
No.
Oh, okay, well that's where we are.
क्या यार ये सब
Does not look like Athens, Georgia to me.
Alright, well I'm going to show you something real quick.
You don't know me.
I don't know you, but I don't think you need to be walking around Athens, Clark.
कौन है ये लोग?
So what are you doing over here?
Do you know your sister's phone number?
I do.
What's her phone number?
I won't give it to you.
Do you want me to call her and find her?
No.
Step back on the sidewalk.
No.
Step on the sidewalk,
Nope.
ma'am.
You're funny, cute, fun times.
Step back onto the
I
sidewalk,
can
ma'am.
run away from you.
Two, 5, 4.
पहली बात ये उस चीज के पास जा रहा है, वो खुद भाग के गई, वो गिर गई, मैं जाता भी नहीं, मैं बोलता भाई भाग गए हो। ऐसे गंद को मैं मदद भी नहीं करना चाहता यार, गंद फैलाएंगी।
Eventually, the EMTs arrived, but just as the officer tried to get her to the hospital, she tried running again. And by the time they arrived at the hospital, the poor cop was losing his mind.
Let's go get in the back of the hospital. Or ma'am, do not do this. Stop.
मैंने तो पहले ही
Alright,
बोला था ये गंद करेगी।
Stop running.
पंछी बनो फिरता उड़ू मस्त गगन में।
Do I tackle her?
ये अमेरिकन्स ना,
Natalie, stop.
You know what?
White
I did
peoples.
like you, but not anymore.
Okay.
Screw you and all your cop friends.
Okay.
Screw you.
Is this good?
सीधे गाली दे रही है यार। Screw you.
Natalie, what
I
are you
screw
doing?
you.
The door doesn't open from the inside. Stop.
मस्ती मस्ती।
Stop, Natalie.
I hate you.
इसे लेके भी जाना था ना भाई, मैं कह रहा हूँ उसे ऊपर बांध देना चाहिए, बोरी में भरो ऊपर बांध दो, नहीं तो ऐसे ही बांध दो। मुझे पता है वो गंद करेगी, उसको गाड़ी में भर दो।
That's fine. Okay.
I was gonna freaking hook up with you, but not anymore.
Well,
क्या 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 बोल क्या रही है आंटी? अच्छा, अल्कोहल, नशे में कुछ भी बोलता है इंसान, पर मैं सुना
don't
असलियत
think that would
बोलता
have played out, but
I was gonna hook up with you.
है। बराबर।
Screw you and all your cop friends.
okay.
You missed like the chance with me, buddy.
मिस चांस बे हाथ चल।
Okay.
You wanna hold my hand?
मिस
I
चांस
prefer you stay back there. I'm also God.
बिल्कुल नहीं। God damn it.
Put your hand in the back seat now. 254 Central.
Okay.
She is capable of slipping cuffs.
Boy, stop.
तो भाई तू उसको लेके क्यों आया? नहीं, वो बीच में वो दीवार सी होती है ना, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी
Advise her
चाहिए।
that, please.
Stop.
Close. Stay in the back.
I'm not trying anything with you, buddy.
Please don't. Just stay in the back of the car. Jesus.
I won't. I hate you.
254 Central. Natalie, stop. We're out at Piedmont.
I hate you. You wanna let go of me for a second?
No, ma'am, I'm not, because you've tried to run from me 3 times now. We're going inside.
आंटी आंटी मैम नहीं
Well,
आंटी।
no, we're past that.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
नहीं
I'll go for like 0.5 seconds.
No, ma'am.
Do not call me ma'am.
No, Natalie.
Why?
Because you have tried to run from me.
नारी हो या नारी मैं सब पे भारी है हाँ
No, the one in the parking lot counts. It was a short one, but it counts.
I need to find my sister.
This is Natalie.
पीछे देख के बोली क्या हो रहा है ये सब
It doesn't matter.
You could be my cousin.
I could be.
My last name is.
That's right. It's a small world.
Natalie, if I let go of you, will you not try and run again?
Natalie,
Yes.
tell me your date of birth.
97. 97.
Okay, so.
आंटी
Yes.
बहुत पुरानी आंटी
No, I have none. This cloud is dumb. He's dumb.
I'm an idiot.
You're an idiot.
Yeah.
He's somebody's kid. Don't call somebody's kid. a
Natalie,
idiot.
stop.
I don't.
Let me see your thing, baby.
Get
Davis.
off of me.
What's your number?
2254.
He's a dummy. He flirted with me, and that's the end of it.
देखा देखा मैंने बोला था भाई ये बैकफायर कर सकता है अगर इस ऑफिसर का कोई दुश्मन हुआ या वो भी ऑफिसर हुआ और उसने ऐसे से बोला ओ भाई वो मजाक भी झूठ बोल रही उसे भी पता है पर वो उसके खिलाफ कर सकता है We don't know, bro. You should be cautious about that. You listening me? You should be cautious.
ACC. What are you looking for?
Athens Hall County?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and she's in custody, right?
Yes, ma'am, unless she needs to stay.
So
बिल्कुल
Athens Hall County for the insurance?
Do you know
I
who my
guess.
sister is?
I have no.
भाई इसकी बहन कौन है भाई कोई भी जानता है कौवा थोड़ी है इसकी बहन सब लोग जानते हैं मेरी बहन को जानती है मेरी बहन
Call me caustic.
कौन है तेरी बहन
Where my sister is, and I'm
She is
bleeding.
extremely intoxicated. Incapable of walking.
No. Boy, quit up. Quit.
Come on, baby.
Natalie,
Get
talk to her,
the-
please.
Be respectful, honey. Be respectful.
I don't care about him.
रिस्पेक्ट है रिस्पेक्ट
I don't.
इज्जत नहीं
You do.
कायदे में रहोगे फायदे में रहोगे मोटी
You know what I'm saying? I don't know where my sister is. So
Have you ever lived?
इंसान पीने के बाद ऐसे ही करता है इसलिए भाई होश में रहो ये सब मत करो कोई तुम्हारा अपना ऐसे देख लेगा तो
that's where
खुलेआम बेइज्जती हो जाएगी
That cop had the patience of a saint. It takes great professionalism to handle this Natalie.
बहुत
In the
पेशेंस
end, Natalie was booked for obstructing a law enforcement officer. It's unclear whether her sister was real or imagined, but we hope she found her. While Natalie was
उसकी बहन कौवा है
intoxicated, our next suspect
तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही इतनी सारी बकवास देखने के बाद जो लोगों ने कही है यहाँ पर पता नहीं लोगों को हो क्या सकता है पर आज के लिए मेरा दिमाग इतनी ही चीजें ले सकता है बस